Yo, what's up, guys? We're playing this game.
Is that really the intro?
We're playing.
Go on, say like and subscribe.
Shut up. We're playing a new
I want to
text.
be Anna. I want to be Anna. I want to be Anna. No.
Oh, I have to change character. But
I know.
Jack is down badly, just so you know. I like middle, actually. Oh no, Connie. I'm saying just kind of can't be saying those words. Oh, I don't like it. I'm scared, Jack. I'm scared.
I got bone trap. Don't worry.
We need to get like a lockpick. Oh no,
Oh my god! Hell is he?
Grandpa.
If I see him, I'm leaving. By the way.
And Jack, by the way, if Grandpa gets fed, like fully fed, you can just like you can detect where we are. So, I can hear their face.
I'm gonna fall in Leatherface's mask. Like, ask Leatherface for his mask, and you might blend in walking with on.
I'll try, man. I'll try and ask.
No.
What can you do now? They can't find me. That watch this, mate. I'm telling you, you're gonna see. Oh.
Some plays. You can't stay in there for.
Oh! Ankle's broke! Look at the ankle's broke!
Oh my god. Oh.
No! Ankle is broke! Homie's ankles are snapped! Homie's ankle is broken! And yeah, boom, yeah, we can out! Yeah, and oh! Exited! And I'm out! I want out! Oh, body! One body! One body! Ow! I'm back, me! And again!
Forward. Oh, you went the wrong way. You got in a circle. No, not again. Not again. Go. Go upstairs. Up this.
Oh, no! I thought I was thinking!
Not again.
Oh, yeah!
Get that way.
Oh, no! What are you doing, idiot?
Oh, you're an idiot.
What's happening?
Wait, what?
What? I'm
What?
recovering. What? How did I die?
I have no idea, but you were good. Oh! Skills! Those go skills. Those go skills. Like, oh! Yeah, go skills.
Oh! Ankle again! Oh, and I'm out! Oh no!
Don't mess with Dylan, I'll knock his socks off.
Oh, my back me! My back me!
Stop.
Ow! Oh no!
Oh no! I
died. Wait. Oh, they won.
What the hell is he doing?
Be the man.
Is that really his name?
No, I just don't know his name.
Oh, he's
You're.
he's a grandpa.
I'm the cock! Wouldn't you have to be? It's probably the best you do. Oh!
Look, can you see me?
Yeah, you're the first time.
Yeah.
Oh no! No.
Don't kill her!
Oh, come on.
Oh.
Where's the goal? Like, that is not realistic at all.
Wow, that is realistic.
What? You get cut in half and you don't die. Oh. Okay. Oh, I see where it's coming out from. Get her!
What the hell?
I'm gonna cut ya.
What are you doing?
I'm not him. Hey, Grandpa. Can't. Why would you kill me? Oh, I see him. I see him. Get it. Get it. Oh! I'm going around.
I'm fucking suck my balls, I don't care.
Bruh.
Come on, wherever you are.
Hello? Did somebody say just eat?
Come here. Come here. Come on, run, you fucking idiot.
Nice, Jim.
Oh, you fucking twat. We killed someone!
Yeah!
He ain't gonna survive for much longer. Why is my game lagging? There we go.
I see him!
Where is he, boy?
Oh, he died.
No.
Oh, wash.
You did it! Oh, what are you doing, Jack?
Whee!